Hello, everyone. So, welcome back. Welcome back to me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for this video, we are going to talk about Ivy English update because feeling ko marami sa inyo ang very much interested about sa company. So, I'm going to share new updates about it. Let's go. Okay, so here is an update about the Ivy English. I think ito yung pinaka last company na shinare ko sa inyo last time. Okay, so Ivy English update. Okay, of course, let's start first with the qualifications. So nalista ko na yan isa-isa. Okay, dito tayo sa taas. Okay, so the first one, you have to be fluent in both oral and written English, neutral accent, and kailangan you have at least 1 year online ESL teaching experience. So kung baguhan ka sa online industry or sa ESL industry, hindi ka pa pwedeng makapasok sa company. Okay, so at least a year of experience. Teaching background, your teaching environment, clean background. Actually, hindi naman kailangan na yung bang sa other companies wherein you have to decorate your background. So, hindi siya kailangan ganun. As long as it's clean, preferably white background, right? Good lighting, and of course, no background noises. So, that's very important. Okay? So, kung feeling nyo is pasado naman kayo sa apat na to, okay, sige, may chance na yan. Okay, but we're not yet done. Okay, so they're looking for Filipino home-based online teacher with a bachelor's degree. Yes. So, kailangan po degree holder tayo. Okay? So, isa rin yan sa requirement nila. Okay, next one, fast and stable internet connection. So for you to pass, especially sa pre-screening, you need to have at least 50 Mbps, both download and upload speed. Okay? You can check your internet connection gamit ang Ookla na website. Okay, so you can search it. Ookla. Ookla. Yun ba yun? Okay. So number 8, you must be computer literate. So for this one, at least marunong kang gumamit naman ng Microsoft Office, especially Microsoft Word. Kasi yan yung ginagamit namin every time gumagawa kami ng DCR, Daily Correction Report ni student right after the class. Alright? For the Google Docs and Sheet, not necessarily na marunong kang mag-create from scratch. So, hindi naman. Okay? So, itong dalawa, ginagamit lang siya whenever, for example, you're going to take a leave. So, the company will provide yung ginawa na nila, and then you just have to fill in the dates and whatsoever. Okay? So, gawa na yan nila already. Ang hirap. Okay. Number 9, PC type and specification. So, for this one, Windows 10, RAM at least 8 gig, and then Core i3 at least and above. Okay? So, for you to find, paano ba namin mahanap yung specification? Okay, so I have here a video also for you to watch. So, sa system, you'll have to go to setting. Okay? So, nasa setting lang po siya. So, let's try to watch this one. I have a video. So, punta lang kayo sa settings. Yun, i-search nyo yung settings. Right after sa settings, hanapin nyo yung system. O, nandyan. Okay, so, ito yung system. I-click nyo lang yan. And on my part, nasa pinakababa siya, yung about. Hanapin nyo yung about. Click it. And then, pag open nyo niyan, nandyan na lahat. So take a look. Andyan na lahat yung PC specification na hahanapin sa inyo. Alright? Alright, so yun na yun. So you can try to find it also on your PC or laptop. So next one, number 10, you must be able to open at least 4 hours and 30 minutes between 5 to 10 p.m. Yes. So if you are really into the online world, ang 4 hours and 30 minutes na time, hindi naman siguro siya sobra, right? So, at least itong mga oras na to. Okay? If you cannot commit to those hours, maybe this company is not for you. Okay? Next one, for the headphones. Of course, sa lahat yan, kahit saan company ka magpunta, noise cancelling feature, we have to make sure na habang we're conducting our class, walang ingay na makakadisturbo sa klase. So that's why this is very important. Okay? And of course, you have to be passionate, committed, and dedicated to teach Korean learners. Okay? Aside from that, kung gusto mong mag-apply, pag may hiring, it should be that you can start ASAP. They prefer that. Kaysa naman nag-apply ka today, tapos next month ka pa pala available. 'Di ba? So, wag naman sana ganun. Last one, can work for at least a year. So, they don't entertain applicants na short period lang, like during summer only, during Christmas vacation. So, they don't entertain those kind of applicants. Okay? So if you have any other questions, you can comment down below lang. Now, why is it one of the best? I think siguro kasi ito lang yung pinaka the best sa mga napasukan kong companies. Heh. Okay, let's have the pay rate. Okay. So, ito yon. When I entered, I think that was 2022, 2021. Okay. I was offered 220 and then nag-increase to 250. Okay? Now, ito yun. Ito yung current nila. Okay? So, by the way, just a quick recap. I'm not with Ivy English anymore. Yes, for some reasons. Okay? But if I'll be coming back, kung gusto kong bumalik sa online, it's sure, babalik talaga ako sa Ivy English. Okay, that's why I'm also sharing it to you again. And this information, it's coming from my in-law, okay? A sister-in-law. So, siya yung nagbigay ng current update about sa company kasi andun pa rin siya until now. Okay? So, here are the rate, 240 to 336 pesos per hour. Ito yung possible na makuha mo pag natanggap ka sa Ivy English. Alright? For a 50-minute class, 200 to 280. For a 25-minute class, 100 to 140. Okay? So, hindi na ako magbibigay ng computation or whatsoever. English, not math. Okay. So, kayo nang bahala mag-compute kung gusto nyong mag-compute. Now, guys, this is really high. 'Di ba? So, again, I believe since 240 per hour ang nakalagay dito, ito na yung starting rate talaga nila. Because during my time, I was given 220 only. Right? So ngayon, it's written here, it's 240. So, 240 na ang starting nila. Okay? So of course, you can ask naman during your interview, you can ask the manager as well for clarification. Basta ito yung current update na binigay sa akin. Okay. You can screenshot for reference as well. Now, aside from malaking hourly rate, incentives, yes, you heard it right. Aside from those, nagbibigay ang company ng 2,500 internet allowance. Yes, that is all on top of your monthly income. Mhm. Tama. Aside from that, 10% early bird, 10% of your income. Pag, I forgot. Okay, I will just insert na lang, no? That time, I think it's 5 to 7 a.m. If you are able to teach from 5 to 7 a.m., that's what dyan yung early bird na 10%. Makukuha mo ang additional 10% mo pag sa mga oras na yan ay nagklase ka. Yes. For the peak hours, yan na yung sa nighttime, the 5 to 10 p.m. class. So additional 10. So kung you'll have the early bird and the peak hours, 20% na lahat on top of your monthly income. Alright? Next one, hindi pa tayo tapos sa 20% na nag-add. 20% renewal bonus pag nag-renew ng klase ang student sa'yo. Okay? Now, if your renewal, the percentage would reach 70% plus 5. Okay. So as mentioned by my sister-in-law, they did not really increase their rate as of now. Okay? But of course, malaki na yung rate niya ngayon. Okay? What the company did was, pag umabot ng 70% yung renewal rate mo, meron kang additional na naman na 5% on top of everything. So you'll have a total of 25% renewal bonus. So kanina meron tayong 20. Ngayon another 25. A total of 45% on top of everything. 'Di ba? So, saan pa kayo? Saan pa kayo, guys? Yeah, that's why I can say, gusto ko talaga dito sa Ivy English. Okay, hindi pa pala tapos. Pasensya na. Holiday incentives. The company also is very generous. They give a Christmas bonus and other holiday bonus, I believe, depending on what the holiday is or what the occasion is. Meron silang paganyan. Trust me. 'Di ba? So ano pa? Ano pa? Okay, but of course you have to make sure again that you fit the qualifications, 'di ba? Okay. Now, if you are interested, here is my sister-in-law's email. Pwede kayong mag-send dito ng CV nyo. And of course, your 1 minute video intro recorded using Zoom. Kasi for the class, you'll be using Zoom for class. Okay? So, ito yung email niya. But, wait lang guys. Okay? The company is not yet hiring as of the moment. I'm just giving you this update para if ever mag-hiring ulit si Ivy English, you are ready what to prepare yourself, the equipment and etc. Diba? Okay, so you can take a screenshot, save this one for future references. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can comment. Just comment, comment, comment. Okay. Now, ito rin, you can screenshot this one. So, very important, of course, our voice, how we project in front of the camera, our lighting, the background, and etc. Okay, so ito yun, pre-screening. If you pass the pre-screening criteria, then yun na yung time wherein your videos would be submitted to the manager. Okay? And yung manager, sila yung magsasabi if you pass, if you're gonna have the interview, the demo, or not. Okay? So, ganun siya. Okay. Now, as I have mentioned, not hiring pa po tayo as of now. So, the updates, I will still post it here on YouTube. So, para short lang siya, YouTube Shorts. And I also have a Facebook page. I will also post some reels on my Facebook page. Okay. So I hope that helped somehow. So again, if any question, you can comment down below or message me wherever you like. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I can make more videos next time. Bye bye.